Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's June 12th, 2023. Let's talk about Ethereum today because we want to really know, given the last couple of days in the cryptocurrency space, we've seen a lot of cryptocurrencies take a complete dive in price, and Ethereum really participated as well. You guys can tell that I did a price prediction for Ethereum, taking us all the way back on June the 4th. I did a price prediction, and you guys can see that my idea was for Ethereum to continue to be bullish, to continue to go higher, but something happened. And I'm going to talk to you all about it. Then I'm going to show you all what I think price in Ethereum is going to do next. Okay, so let's go ahead and break down the last couple of trading days in the market in Ethereum. So here it is. So I would say, following our price prediction, the market in Ethereum did go down. It went down 4% right there on June the 5th. But on the next day, okay, when you break these price bars down, on the next day, the market in Ethereum went right back up. Okay, so that told us that the buyers were still interested in moving this price up in Ethereum. Now, I want you all to understand that we did identify an area of resistance in the market for Ethereum, and this was right here at 1920, 1925. We told you that that area was seen as resistance, and that if price in Ethereum does not break above it, then we need to let the idea go of Ethereum going up. And that is precisely what happened. So this particular market in Ethereum, seeing how it could not break above 1920 is the reason why price did not go up. So even though we had a high probability at that particular moment in time for Ethereum to do just that, go higher, the sellers were just stronger. So yes, this price prediction did not go correct, but I wanted to show you all why it didn't. And it was because of the sellers being positioned right here around 1920. Okay, so yes, let's go ahead and get rid of this. And now let's talk about the particular market in Ethereum going forward. Okay, so you guys can see that I got this upper horizontal line up here around 2150. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that because that's not applicable. And there's two things that's really in favor of the sellers in the market in Ethereum. The first one I've already talked about. It's because of the sellers being there around 1920. That's in the benefit of the sellers. The second thing that is in benefit of the sellers is how the market in Ethereum is making lower highs. You guys can see it. We are literally seeing price in Ethereum make lower highs. That also is in favor of the sellers. Okay, so should we actually be bullish into the market in Ethereum right now? Should we steer clear of Ethereum until we begin to see some bullish indicators off the charts? Because right now we're not seeing off those two things alone. We should not be looking for Ethereum to go up. The market is in favor of the buyers as of right now. Here's Ethereum on a 2-day chart. Okay, now one thing that is in favor of the buyers is right here. We saw buyers enter the market in Ethereum right there around $1,700. We're currently getting that right now. Okay, that's in favor of the buyers. Here's Ethereum on the 3. Here's Ethereum on the 5. Here is Ethereum on the weekly chart. Now the weekly chart, again, doesn't look too bullish. We saw the price in Ethereum close off of the highs, but the market slowly, it came off the lows as well too. So there's a mixture of people who came into the market in Ethereum and felt that prices being around $1,700, that the market is a buy there. So they came in and bought. Here's Ethereum on the 2 weekly chart. We got 6 more days left, but that definitely shows me that price currently is still weak. Here's Ethereum on the 3 weekly chart. Again, we have 6 days, but again, that weekly price bar looks weak as well. And in the next 6 days and 14 hours, I'll tell you this right now. If the market looks just like this in the next 6 days and 14 hours, then yes, Ethereum is still weak. So this week is going to be real important for price, the buyers, to lift the price up in Ethereum and close it up there towards the high end of these weekly price bars. Okay, so I do think currently price in Ethereum is a little bit weaker than it is actually in terms of giving us strength, but we may just see the market run down to $1,700, grab the buyers, and then the buyers would take control of the market and lift the price back up. But again, that doesn't mean that we're going to see the market in Ethereum run at $2,200. The overall trend in this space in Ethereum, even in altcoins in general, is weak. And the lifesaver for us to see the market really in Ethereum confirm buyers is on my trend line. This is where we really want to see the market confirm the strength, to confirm that buyers are still here in the market. We're on our way there now. We may just be taking a pit stop right there around $1,700. Okay. So let's look at this on a different hourly chart. Let's take it all the way back to 13-hour chart real quick. You can see where price currently is in the market in Ethereum. Take us all the way back to the lows of May of 2021. Look at that. Price is currently there now. Just like the market in Ethereum bounced off of the 1750 back in May. If we see that again, then this is the bottom. But take a look at this. Right here, we got this indicator of weakness, a push to go down bar. And since then, yeah, buyers have tried to lift the price up in Ethereum, but these 13-hour price bars here resemble and represent that the people are still here selling. So there's a great war going on between the buyers of the market and the sellers of the market right here around 1720, going all the way up to 1780. Which one do you think is going to win? Here's Ethereum on the 11-hour. You guys can see it right there. Okay, so when I usually see the market in Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency just merely consolidate, and I can tell that there's a war going on between both sides, I usually don't participate because it's not giving us a leverage. It's not giving us an advantage, and we are here to get the advantage. And on the hourly chart, I really don't see it. Here it is on the 330-minute price chart. And again, I don't really see it. Okay. So since I don't really see it on the hourly chart, I'm not going to put on a price prediction here. The market currently is telling me that we still need more confirmation. It's too indecisive. Like the market doesn't know what it wants to do. And I want to show you how we need to move throughout the cryptocurrency space without feeling like you got to come in and put on a trade, because you don't. If you don't see anything here, then you go find the opportunity somewhere else. So I'm gonna leave it alone. But hey, you can do what you all think is possible in your analysis for Ethereum. Do you think it's going to go higher or lower? Do you think Ethereum is going to run to $1,800? Because if that's the case, you might see a pretty good percentage gains there. 2.5%, 8.5%. But my idea, my caution is being seen on a weekly chart, which is giving me pause as to actually anticipating the price in Ethereum to go up. So from a longer term basis, I'm definitely looking for price to go down. But on a shorter term, we could definitely see this market in Ethereum continue to drift lower. And I might just do that. So you know what? Let me do that. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do that. We'll anticipate that the market in the long term, i.e. the weekly chart, is weaker than it is given the strength. And our target is going to literally see this market come to this trend line. This is what we really want to see. Okay, so our target areas will have to be first right there around $1,700. That's going to be our first target. And like I said, it's not going to be too much. It's only about 3% from where the price currently is now. And then my second target for Ethereum is going to bring us down to around $1,600. Okay, and that's 8.63% there. And then after $1,600, $1,500 would be next. Now I'm not going to put that on the chart. I'm just going to drop these two price predictions here as for this particular moment, because like I said, I want to see the market buyers hit this area there first. And if they don't hold it there, then it'll be simple for us just to simply extend our idea that Ethereum is going to continue to go lower. Okay, so we'll just hold those two targets first. That first one is $1,700. The second one is around $1,600 for a weekly time frame. Okay, not daily, because we can definitely see, especially on the daily, hourly chart, the market in Ethereum begin to go higher. but that's only in the short term. So give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.